Hi, Chris here, and today I'm going to do a pick and gut on this rather wonderful Abloy 242. It's got the profile core, or one variation of the profile core. You can see there you've got a warded front plate, and just down inside you might just about be able to see it. There's another plate in the middle and another one at the back, which corresponds to that little tooth at the end of the key. So that's what the key profile looks like. There's the bitting. The tool I'm going to be using is a homemade tool. This is based around an ejector pin with a 4mm shaft, a 6mm tip, which I've taken down. You can see there's a bit more material removed from the tip of the tensioner than is strictly necessary to go into this particular lock. But what I found in making it, because I've got a few of these, what I found in making it is that they don't all have the same profile plates. So actually, if you want something that's going to do the job for all of the simmer locks, you have to take a bit more material out of here for the teeth at the end, and a bit more material out of here for the teeth on the front plate. The pick tip is made from the ejector pin sleeve that came with this. I just got it from AliExpress. Started out as an 8mm sleeve. I've just filed it down. You can see it just thins off slightly there. Filed that down to about 7mm or something on diameter, but it runs very nicely over the shafts. You can see there, and almost no wobble. So that's actually a really good. Makes a really good pick. So although the handles and that are a bit crude, it does function very nicely. So there we are. That's what we're going to do. So I will stick that in the vise and get picking. Okay, so we've got the lock in the vise. Here is the key. Quite tricky bitting on this one actually. Yeah, you can see the lock operating completely normally. I'll lock that back up. Okay, starting at the back of the lock. I found this lock really doesn't give great feedback at all, but there's just enough. You can start going through and setting the discs. Okay, that's the first pass all the way through the lock. I'm going to go back to the back of the lock now and start trying to get things in true gaze. go. Open. Right, to lock that back up. See if I can get the pick out. Could be a little bit tricky. There we go. So there's the two bearings, hold the shackle in. There's the shackle. Here's the body of the lock. You can see the groove for the sidebar down there. Here is the sidebar, just a round metal bar. Take that spring off the back. Just go down through here. It's got a special thick spacer at the front, and into the sort of normal discs and spacers. Middle profile plate. Another special spacer at the back. There is the rear profile plate. So here's the carrier. Not very interesting, very standard. And then we've got front profile plate like that, warding on the right hand side of the keyway there. And then special spacer, it's a thick spacer, same thickness as the discs. So look at the mid profile plate. You can see you just got that extra bit of material in the keyway there. Another one of those thick spacers at the back. Here's the rear profile plate. We've got that little tooth coming in from the top left. Makes life a bit more difficult on the tooling. Just pick some discs to look at. See this one? It's one of the anti-pick discs with the cutout in the middle, and you can see a nice big true gate there. Also, you can see the two false gates on there, I hope. another one. There we go again, you can see one true and two false gates. Okay, I think that's everything. So there we have it. Abloy profile picked and gutted. I'll just bring that up. You can see all of the rest of the discs. There we go.